flood warnings across the area to start off the day, and these flash flood warnings are going to hang around with us through the morning into the afternoon, depending on obviously if the rain shuts off or not. These flood warnings will probably be continued. The ones across the Lexington area, though, have since expired, with heavier rain setting up just down to the south of the city from McKee all the way over to Jackson, all the way over from there into Salyersville this morning. That rain is really coming down. Flood warnings, flash flood warnings, flood watch. Yes, they are in effect for most of our viewing area, and that flood watch goes through Sunday as additional rain is obviously going to be likely. This front is hanging out in the state, but watch, you can already see the back edge of this front is starting to buckle to the north because the rain is starting to exit Arkansas, Missouri. That's key for us because I expect the front as a whole to gradually start lifting to the north. You'll see that here as the day wears on. So by 4 o'clock today, the more widespread rain starts lifting into northern Kentucky and Indiana and Ohio. I still think, though, we're going to have scattered showers and some storms that could ride near that front across central and northern parts of the state into the evening. Into the overnight, a few showers still remain, but I think we get a lot of dry time for at least many spots overnight. Now, it's Saturday into Sunday, a different story as our cold front from the west starts to push back in. Rounds of heavy rain work through the state during that period. Now, what about severe weather? I think our risk today is low. It's not zero, but as our warm front is lifting north and we get a little instability, we could see a few strong or severe storms afternoon and into the evening hours. Greatest risk, though, is well to the west of us as you work your way back into Missouri, Illinois, and for sure down into Arkansas. Now, the risk for tomorrow does increase a bit as we're bringing our front, the cold front, back in. Warmer air out ahead of that could lead to some damaging wind gusts. Here's the deal, though, about tomorrow. I still think tomorrow the overall biggest concern here is going to be for torrential rain that leads to flooding. How much additional rainfall? We'll talk more about that in just a moment. First, though, afternoon temperatures today are going to vary. I think we make it into the 70s in central Kentucky, but it's going to take a while to get there. It may not be until we get toward 5, 6, or even 7 o'clock this evening. North of the front, 60s. South of the front, getting into the 80s with the rounds of storms into the early afternoon before the rain becomes more scattered late afternoon and evening. All right. Tonight, scattered showers, a few storms still possible, otherwise mild. Look at these lows, middle and maybe even some upper 60s. 7-day forecast, looking at the rain around today. Rounds of showers and storms Saturday, especially Saturday afternoon through Saturday night and into Sunday. So it's warm the next 2 days, but it gets chilly with showers hanging on into Sunday. So over the next 3 days, we could get as much as 6 inches of rain in some places, central, northern, and back off into western Kentucky. Those are where we expect the highest totals that could get up near 6. Into next week. Finally, dry weather Monday, Tuesday, and I really think most of Wednesday's dry. We get into Thursday, another weak system comes in here, and that could bring some additional showers.